Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Um, for those of you that are returning viewers to my gaming channel, welcome back um, to new viewers. Welcome as well. Welcome in. Um, so I'm getting back into my recorded playthroughs for the first Watch Dogs game. So I am Spicy Pepper Plays, aka Cayenne134TTV. I do quite a bit of gaming. Um, I pretty much played through the entire story for the first Watch Dogs game, just to see exactly how long it would actually take me uh, to really work my way through uh, pretty much all of the story mode for Act 1. Or not for Act 1, for all the way through to the final fifth act. And it actually did take me quite a while, guys. I didn't end up finishing the finale of Act 5 until closer to the end of July. So when this goes up, it'll already be August, but I'm recording this as of July 31st. Okay, so I'm going to be putting all of my social media links down in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, please make sure to go and check me out on my other social media platforms. Would be really greatly appreciated. Well, otherwise, here we go, guys. The next part for Watch Dogs. It always just takes a bit to load up because um, I haven't finished replaying all the other next parts for Watch Dogs yet. But I do have the sequel to Watch Dogs. I have Watch Dogs 2, so I'll be extremely excited um, to start getting into Watch Dogs 2 after I finish doing all of my recorded playthroughs for the first one. Okay. Come on, game. There we go. Alrighty.
I've got
There we
something
go.
for you. We need to meet.
Meet? What, face to face? Should I look for a guy in a mask?
No mask. Just follow my signal.
I thought you never wanted to meet.
I don't. But we need to meet.
Alrighty. So there's the next part for Act 1.
He was so completely freaked that I said,
So you can, it's kind of like GTA 5, because you can break into and steal cars. Let's see if I remember how to do this. There's my phone. Car on demand. Sure.
give it a break.
Okay, it's ready for you. Hey,
Send me a
how's that
bike.
for fast?
I always do like getting around on a bike. It's easier and much faster. Okay, open up my map. And the next part for the story is right here. Okay. Here we go. Open your world. Start mission.
I've hired Bad Boy before, and he's always protected his identity. That's how DedSec works. Now he wants to meet. That's unusual. All right, I'm gonna try and shake him off his game. Let's see what he's up to.
Okay.
Bad Boy.
What?
Bad Boy, 17.
What the fuck, man?
Bad Boy, 17?
Clara.
Clara.
Ah. Bad Boy 17
You don't look
is a
17.
girl.
Do I look like a bad boy?
There, you look like a wild card.
I hope I don't frighten you.
What, do you have a reason to frighten me?
Now you're being paranoid.
Am I? Someone is fucking with my life. Threatening my family, and at the same moment, the mysterious bad boy wants to meet me, and he is a she. He is a lie. Listen, I need to trust you, Clara.
I wouldn't trust me if I were you. But here's a reason to listen. The text message you sent me, I know where to find him.
Yeah, well, we don't need to meet face to face for that.
No. We needed a face-to-face for this. You wanted dead sex, Max?
Okay.
You got me in.
You should be nicer to me. I'm about to
Cool.
open your world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're not the first woman to promise me that.
They do all their nasty work through this.
That's the first sign
And
of
they
trust.
don't know I have access.
Well, you stole it.
This is powerful. Just don't be stupid. You screw around and you get people hurt. Worst.
Well, I don't think you trust me.
Give me a reason to trust you.
All right. The guy sent the text. How do we find him?
We work together. You with everything I just sent. Me tracking your signal.
Interesting.
You're not quite what I expected.
And you're exactly as I expected, Aiden.
Ooh. Cool. Okay. Now they both know each other. Skill point acquired. Open skills tree. You have you now have access to all available skills. So we have the hacking tree, combat, crafted items, and driving. And I've accumulated over a dozen skill points. So I think I'm gonna look into the hacking tree. Battery life, profile optimization. Automatically highlights civilians with high value rewards such as system keys, lucrative bank accounts, and high quality vehicle unlocks. Sure. ATM Hack Boost Plus. I think I'll save that for later. What's this one? Bridges. Hold X to open or close the city bridges. Okay, about combat. Quick weapon switch. Improved focus while driving. Stealth sprint. Sprinting has a reduced detection radius. Cost 4 points. Sure. Demolitionist. Increases the amount of carried explosives. Reduces damage suffered from enemy bullets. Okay. So I still have 4 points left. I'm probably not going to spend them all. I think I'm just...
Hey,
Am I talking to Bad Boy or Clara?
Let's make it
Easy. Voila. So we need to track your caller. But he's sneaky. He's bounced his address through a CTOS office tower. Client services, employees, and executives, things like that.
An office tower.
We need to find a way into the
Nice to meet you.
You
I'm
get
not
him.
Meg.
I get you his location.
I can get into the building where they're most vulnerable. Check out where they take deliveries.
Looks like underground. In the tunnel.
I'll start there. Hey, I'm sorry I was rough before.
I know what you were doing. Trying to intimidate me. Very textbook. Stepping into my personal space, the stare, physical contact. You're trying to look for cracks. So did you find any?
When you love to know.
Okay, so let's see. Where is... Ow. Where's the link going for this door? Okay. No. Not up the stairs. Gonna keep going. Down this way. Aha, there it is. Cool. So now I can go back and unlock that garage. That's holding some valuable stuff. There's nothing on those guys. Bingo. Intercepted audio log.
They picked up the drop. We're already seeing 6 of the weapons have been fired multiple times.
Scan. Proximity IEDs. Nice. Okay. Hack into the camera. And let's have some fun.
Your phone goes off again, we're gonna have a problem. This isn't even my phone.
Oh, oops.
Hello? Oh, shit! Okay, fuck. There's gotta be something going on. Let someone else deal with this shit.
This camera. Oh, no, that one's too far. What about this one? Aha. Okay. Ooh. Oh, oops. Didn't mean to jump over that one.
Okay, all right, you piece of junk. I got my eyes on you.
Jump back over here. I want to blow with that wall unit right there, but he's not getting close enough to it. Damn. Jump over to this camera. Ah, okay, I got it. I got it. Camera. Okay.
Sounds like we got company.
Mwahaha.
We have to look for him. Go over there.
Who do you think it is? Who do you think is messing with you? Oh. Damn. Not what I wanted to happen. Crap. He was way too observant that time. He was actually fast enough. Boom! Got him! There we go. Mwahaha. So much fun.
Keep your eyes open.
Yeah, but there's nothing along here for me to get rid of this guy in the corner.
Keep alert.
No, at least there's lots of cameras for me to play with. There's nothing else for me to actually blow up in here. Gotcha. Okie doke.
Don't relax yet.
And door.
Something isn't right.
Anyone hear anything? Shit. Find him. You hear me?
Whoop. Which way is he gonna go? Gotcha. Let's see, can I draw more of them out? Let's see if I can do this. That back down.
Still be someone around.
Gotcha.
Keep an eye out.
Oh yeah, that's how I reload.
Don't let your guard down. Still be someone out there.
Man, nothing ever work around here? Looks like a standard malfunction.
Yeah, now I can probably go around back this way. To rush.
Stay awake.
Got plenty of time. Ah. Whoop.
Keep alert.
Gotcha. Woo. Whew, okay. Getting a little bit closer.
What the hell's happening here? What? What is that? Poor slob. If you don't find him, I'll kill you.
Come on.
Search the area.
But no one
I don't
knows
see
who's gonna
anything.
do
Gonna
that.
move on.
'Cause it's just you. Oops. He's smart.
I'm heading that way.
Or they're smart when they're actually actively patrolling. Gotcha. That was the last one. Ah. Took them all out through stealth attacks.
I'm in the building. Can you see what's ahead?
The layout shows a wide open indoor plaza.
More guards, no doubt.
Oh, those hacks I uploaded to your phone? It's perfect
Electronic
distraction.
parts.
You can disrupt the equipment of any guard in there.
Equipment like what?
Anything. Hack their phones, earpieces, explosives. Everything runs off computer chips these days.
Okay, I'll try it. Can you scan me the offices? Find me someone with an unsecured laptop.
Stable
Got one.
phones.
Bradley Coughlin. Oh no. He's a security director.
Of course he is. Once I hack in, you move fast. Track her caller and get out. It won't take long for security to spot the intrusion.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah. She knows how to disappear. Okay, and then I'll hide here. Hack the cam. Intercepted audio log.
I got it. I got the job. Which means yours truly has a parking spot outside of Bloom's X Labs. Billions of dollars, that's science. Okay, maybe just regular science, but still, man, who knows what kind of wild shit I'll get to work out. I still gotta sign a mountain of confidentiality paperwork, but I will tell you all about it when I am done. Yes, 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 yes.
Hack this one. But he doesn't get close enough to this outlet. Ah. Got the access code. Awesome. Ooh. Ooh.
Investigating suspicious activity. That doesn't look right.
Boom.
Track him
Whoa!
down. Heads up!
Now, something's going down. Gonna check it out. Find him.
Don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
I got got nothing. I'll check
Come
over
on,
there.
just a little closer.
I got nothing. I'll check over there.
So, what's his patrol routine? Is he gonna keep going this way and then go back around?
Stay on the lookout.
Oh!
That was weird.
Got him.
Wait a second. I think I see something.
Boom!
Ah! No fucking way.
What was that?
Look out!
Track him. Let's move. No way he's gone. Start looking.
Nice to meet you. I'm not Meg.
Okay. Oh, here come these guys.
Check somewhere else.
Got a cam on him.
Nothing here.
Come on,
Moving
keep
on.
going
Yeah,
down
here.
that way.
Close up. Don't relax just yet.
Aw, man.
Still be someone around.
Oh, there's a hidden cam on him.
Stay awake.
Oh, that's right. I can follow him upstairs through his hidden cam. This is way more fun. Let's see. Anything up here I can use to
Still be
get
someone
rid of
around.
these guys easily?
Stay awake.
Hmm.
I repeat, the cabbage patch is full of orphans.
Don't relax just yet.
Carrot should be ready.
Ah. Got it. Didn't even need to try. Oops. There we go. Turn it that way. And that way. And... Awesome. Got it. Yeah. Hack the laptop to
I'm
upload
telling
the
you,
virus.
it's not just an ad. It blocks my entire view. Just one enormous fucking... Oh, shit. Someone's hacked in. Oh, fuck me. Lock down the building. Find him now.
Where is he? Search there.
Okay, I got you in. Can you track the caller?
Searching now. Carlos, the police are coming. They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
The cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough. Does DedSec know a way to jam their scans?
Wait, I think we do. Here it is. I'm sending it to you.
Ooh, jam comms.
No, I don't want to die. And step out where I can. Oh, what the hell? And cops are in a body bag.
Ooh.
Get cops or in a body bag.
Oh my God.
Your choice.
going down,
I'm on the subway train. Can't get me on the subway.
Stay calm, man. Stay calm. Oh no, Jesus. Oh man, that's not good.
Be advised, a patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
Doors opening. Oh God, I don't want to
It's
go.
not like I'm gonna kill anyone.
Damn it, where the hell did he go?
Jesus, no!
No way, this is really bad.
Oh no, Jesus!
Stay calm, man. Stay calm.
Shit! No!
Went ahead west of your position.
Yeah.
Squad, the suspect's gone. We're calling it suspect.
Escape successful.
How are we looking? You finally call it? Tired of this cat and mouse.
I got your mouse. His call was made from an apartment in the loop.
Finally.
Just be careful, Aiden. The way he bounced his signal around, I think he wants you to find him.
Well, I certainly don't want to disappoint him.
Next one shouldn't be too far.
Alright, she's all prepped and waiting just for you.
Alrighty, next part is right here. Thanks for the tip. Start.
So this guy threatens my family and wants to meet. He knew exactly how to get my attention. Fine, I'll take the bait.
Hack the router. Okay. And I can get up this way. Let's open up all of these protectors. Oh, at the very least have some kind of protection. Let me get under some cover first. Hack camera. Is this one gonna be close enough? No, it's not. Damn it. Well, at least in this little corner area, there's a lot to play with, which is great. Hacking all this stuff really does give me a lot to play with. Okay. So I actually have to get up here myself.
The data flows are split.
Okay.
Must be 2 CTOS boxes.
Oh, right. And I have to find both CTOS boxes. Okay, so there's that one. see. Camera. Camera. I can see it. It's right over there. Okay. Ah. Got it. The lip was actually blocking it. Oh, and I actually have to head all the way back up here myself because none of the cameras around here can actually reach this point. Okay. That'll work. Okay.
Did you know you can pet me? Check out the pet cafe.
Unlock that one. There. And then flip that one back down that way. And into the next part. Oh, so I need to do that to unlock this one. And then redo this part. Okay. Because I know this kind of stuff is just gonna get harder and harder as I go along through the story. It's just like any other sort of puzzle. I really gotta take the time to figure this out. Okay. Two. And then Okay. Like that. And then there. Got it.
What the hell is this? Bellwether.
I suffered too.
find me. You always were one for a mystery. How are you, Aiden?
Damien Branks.
Shit.
The hell is he doing?
I hope you don't mind the games. Wanted to see if you'd lost your edge. We need to talk. And, you'll want to be quick. Breaking in like you did tripped an alarm. This isn't what I had planned for us. But we're about to be interrupted. Come find me. I'll pick someplace nice.
Why would he harass my sister? We haven't spoken since... the Merlot.
We better run.
Looks like there's a new target for all you hitters out there. Drop what you're doing and get on it.
Identify yourself.
Ooh.
Come on, let's go.
Clear. I'll head down.
Keep an eye out.
Possible hostile in my area. I'm going weapons hot. It's clear. I'm gonna check somewhere else. Look out!
Keep searching.
Ah! Keep searching. I got something. I'll check over there.
Ooh. Explode. Thank you. Boom! Got him!
Fuck me!
Look out! We can find
Fuck yeah.
I got nothing. We can't stop. Search over there.
That was so fun.
How'd he get away from us?
Come on, just a little closer to that side. Closer. Closer. Boom! Got him!
Keep alert.
Take him! Don't let him get away!
How did you think you were?
And they left me an exit.
Keep searching. Lost him. Go get him.
Debes creerme, te está mintiendo. No te
Oh.
fíes de ella. No te
Where are you going? We were just getting started.
Okay.
One more sweep around. We had him.
I love being able to hide in these underground areas.
Where'd he go. He's gone. Regroup.
All right, Damien. Let's talk.
Ha! Easy. Whew. Trace. Alright. So I'm gonna stop here for now so I can get on with doing the next part. So thank you all so very much for coming through with all the views for my gaming content. I'm gonna have a lot more free time coming up in August, so hopefully I will be able to get back into doing a lot more live streams for you guys. So keep your eyes peeled for when I go live next. Other than that, please make sure to go and check out the links to my other social media platforms in the description box down below, which I'll be putting there later on today. But yeah, otherwise, thank you so very much, because every single new view for my gaming content on my YouTube channel really does help. Make sure to do all the good stuff, like, share, comment, and possibly hit the big red subscribe button, because it also helps to get my content out through the algorithm. Alright, so without further ado, guys, this has been Spicy Pepper Plays, aka Cayenne134TTV. I'm signing off for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay spicy, guys.